Welcome back, friends, to my second session of Week Team Greater Noida. Friends, this session of mine is for the Masters of Social Work students of IGNOU. As you all know that Miss Neha, another member of Week Team, is covering the contents of first year general part of MSW, and I will be covering the parts of second year MSW. To brief that the student is required to take another 45 days training in any NGO or CSR. But this should be in the mind of student that the training of second year should be different from the place of the training of first year. Now, the orientation visit, concurrent visit report, induction meeting, individual conference, group conference, self-evaluation report. All these would be as same pattern as of first year. The difference between them: group work, community organization meetings, caseworks, social welfare administration, social action counseling, social works, and of course the second year content should be written in the little matured way. We'll cover all these topics one by one in detail, and the topic for today is the group work. So let us start with the group work in detail. There will be continuously total 10 sessions, one by one, so there is no need to confuse amongst them. The sessions will be taken continuously but in a detailed manner. Group work is basically performed for the resolution of a problem by the help of the group. Let us take an example. There is a group of children facing problem of communication skill and behavior. Maybe few of them having a habit of chewing tobacco or smoking a cigarette. In this situation, the combination of good students may help them to enhance the habits of bad students. This will help the problem, and basically this is known as the groups. The first session of today is going to cover the topic like introduction in group work and the members of the group, means how to select the members of the group. Members here refer in this example to the group of good children and the bad children. The headings of second session of group work will be the date, venue, duration, meeting with the group, observations, and basically the future plannings. The student in training would be the group worker. In the first session, obviously the group members should introduce themselves and trying to get involved amongst each other. They can do it by playing games with each other, by playing music, and etc. In the second session, we may observe that there are some members with less response or unresponsive, and there will be less interaction between some students, but at the end, however, they must follow the group worker. The future plans after the second session must be to generate the interaction, encourage sharing of views, and to develop the rules of conduction of the group. The third session headings will be the date, venue, duration, number of students, means the number of members, and the absenteeism. The session will going to start with certain games like game, in which the students can make a circle and sit around and have to discuss or describe an item without taking any break or in between them. Friends, as the group work continues like this, so members will be more familiar to each other. In the third session, we could start observing that the members are caring for each other. And the future plans of next session must be involves the activities of we feeling. That is team building with the same headings as in third session. Now in the fourth session, the time must have came when the group has going to finally settled. Now the norming stage was over and finally the performing stage is going to begin. It's the time to play games like finding errors in the sentences, and speech by members on certain topics may work in. These could help in making the decisions. Catalytic confirmation was required and ventilation of feeling of members. After the fourth session, we may observe the emotional attachment or involvement of all the members. So finally, इस सेशन को यहाँ रोकते हुए मैं कंक्लूड करना चाहती हूँ. जैसे आप सबको दिख ही रहा होगा कि हमारा ग्रुप बेसिकली हमारा फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप भी होता है, तो दोस्तों का ग्रुप भी एक किस चीज के लिए होता है, हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए, प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन निकालने के लिए, जो डायरेक्टली नहीं हो सकता. ऑब्वियसली हर एक चीज के एक लेवल्स होते हैं, तो ये भी एक स्टेजेस में होता है, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने थ्योरी में पढ़ा हमारे, जैसे कि इंट्रोडक्शन, नॉर्मिंग, देन परफॉर्मिंग, मैच्योरिटी एटसेट्रा. चलो इसे एक नॉर्मल से एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं. जैसे कि फैमिली में आप लोग जानते हैं कि छोटे बच्चे होते हैं तो वो पेरेंट्स के बोलने पे या तो सिर्फ रोटी सब्जी खाते हैं या फिर वो चावल खाते हैं. बट अगर वही बच्चे सेम हमारे होटल मेस में जाके रहते हैं तो वो अपने ग्रुप के अंदर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में हर एक चीज खाना पसंद करते हैं. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. लाइक हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी होते हैं जो चाइल्डहुड से ही हाथ से खाना खाते हैं. दे यूज देयर हैंड्स टू ईट राइस, बट इन द ग्रुप, in the hotel mess or with the other students, they start eating the same rice with the spoon. बेसिकली मैं बताना क्या चाहती हूँ फ्रेंड्स कि ग्रुप वर्क जो होता है वो एक इंसान के अंदर बहुत गुड चेंजेस जनरेट करती है. अपने आने वाले सेशंस में आई विल बी गोइंग टू कवर द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेशंस ऑफ ग्रुप वर्क, जिसमें हम सेशन 5 से सेशन 10 तक कवर करेंगे. एंड फाइनली देयर वी स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग दैट हाउ टू रिजॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इन ग्रुप वर्क. और एक बात का खास ध्यान रखना है कि ग्रुप वर्क भी हमारा उन्हीं एनजीओ या एससीआर के मेंबर्स के साथ ही होना चाहिए जहां से हम अपनी 45 डेज की ट्रेनिंग लेंगे. बिकॉज एट द एंड जब हमारा ग्रुप वर्क का काम खत्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद हमें जो सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा वो हमें एनजीओ ही देगा, जो हमें फाइनली इग्नू में जाके सबमिट करना होगा. Okay, so fine then. Here, weak team Greater Noida की तरफ से bye bye, take care and नमस्ते.